How to enable or disable the timeline audio in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the Edit tab. Next, look at the audio track header on the left side of the timeline. You will see an icon with an M which indicates the mute button. This controls the audio for a specific track. To disable the audio on the timeline, simply click the M icon in the audio track header. This will mute all audio clips in that track and you won't hear any sounds during playback. If you want to enable the audio again, just click the same icon once more to unmute it and your audio will be back on. Another way to control timeline audio is by using the individual clip audio controls. Select a clip in the timeline, then go to the inspector panel in the top right. Here you can adjust the volume or mute the clip entirely. If you are working with multiple audio tracks, make sure to check each track's mute button because audio could be disabled on just one track while others stay active. Finally, after you have enabled or disabled the audio as needed, always play back your timeline to confirm that the audio behavior matches what you want. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the timeline audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.